So what are we, between 30,000 and 60,000? Okay. And so who's right? Everybody. Yeah. Hey, you know how often you come into a property and you say, I can do it for 40 and you end up spending 60?
Yep.
Yeah, because if you overdo it, it's very easy. And most people in their beginning, when they're first doing these, that's what happens. Is because they get emotionally attached, they get excited, and they start doing the renovation and they start putting more into it because now they got, they're emotionally invested in it and they want it to be a really good project. Right, so that's where most people start out with in their first one is they underestimate and they over rehab. Right, so you got to do it a half dozen times till you find that right equilibrium. So when you're coming into the property, but the bottom line is what we want to do is just get to what should it be roughly, and then try to get it done within that budget. Right, and can we easily spend $60,000 in this property as is? Absolutely. Can we get by with $30,000? Yeah, we certainly can. Right, now it's a matter of finding that right equilibrium as to where we're going to be at.